Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio Voice SDK for iOS and Android calls, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Twilio account set up. Log in to your Twilio console. Navigate to the programmable voice section. Create a new project for your application. Obtain your Twilio credentials, including your account ID and auth token. Download the Twilio Voice SDK from the official Twilio GitHub repository. For iOS, add the SDK to your project using CocoaPods. Open your pod file and add the line, pod Twilio Voice. Run the command pod install in your terminal to install the SDK. For Android, add the Twilio Voice SDK to your Gradle file. Open your app-level build.gradle file. Add the implementation line, implementation com.twilio voice Android latest. Sync your project with the Gradle files. Generate an access token for your application using Twilio's token generator. Use the Twilio helper libraries for your preferred programming language to create the access token. Implement the access token in your code to initialize the Twilio Voice SDK. In your iOS app, configure the app delegate to handle incoming calls. Implement the AV audio session for managing audio sessions. Set up call capabilities in your info.plist for VoIP services. For Android, ensure you have the required permissions set in your Android manifest.xml. Add permissions for internet access and receive boot completed. Create a call client instance in your application to manage calls. Incorporate event listeners to handle incoming and outgoing calls. Implement methods to manage call states, like connecting and disconnecting. Create user interfaces for making and receiving calls. Conduct thorough testing of the calling features on both iOS and Android devices. Make necessary adjustments based on the test results to enhance performance. Once testing is complete, deploy your application to your desired platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.